The gaming equipment market, once a booming sector, is experiencing a significant slowdown. After several years of rapid growth fueled by the pandemic, the industry is now facing a challenging landscape. Welcome to VAR India News Hour. The gaming industry is facing an intriguing paradox. While the number of gamers is skyrocketing, there is a concurrent decline in spending on gaming equipment. This discrepancy is a significant challenge for the industry. The potential reasons for the decline in gaming equipment spending are: number one, shift towards digital gaming. The rise of digital platforms and subscription services has made gaming more accessible, reducing the need for physical consoles and games. Number two, economic factors. The rising costs of living and economic uncertainties might be influencing consumer spending habits, with gaming equipment being considered a discretionary expense. Number three, increased competition. The intensifying competition in the gaming market, with more free to play games and mobile gaming options, could be diverting consumer spending. Number four, hardware lifecycle extension. The lifespan of gaming consoles and PCs has increased, leading to less frequent upgrades. The global gaming industry is expected to reach over 1.3 billion users this year, with 91 million more than in 2023 and almost twice the figure reported in 2017. Although the number of gamers continues to rise, this massive user base seems to be spending less and less on gaming equipment, and this negative trend will continue in the following years. According to data presented by Stockalytics, the annual growth rate in the gaming equipment market is expected to halve and drop to only 1.7% by 2029. According to a Statista Market Insight survey, global gaming equipment sales saw double-digit growth between 2019 and 2022, rising by an average of 15% annually. Statistics show that 2020 and 2021 were undoubtedly the best years for selling gaming consoles and VR headsets, with revenues increasing by 23% and almost 17% respectively. However, it was downhill from there. After slipping to 5% in 2023, the annual growth rate in the gaming equipment segment is forecasted to drop to 3.6% in 2024, showing a six-fold decrease since 2021. This negative trend will continue in the following years. Statista expects the annual growth rate to drop to only 1.7% by 2029, only half the figure expected this year and 13 times less than at the market peak. This modest growth will help the market revenue increase by only 11% or $4 billion in the next 5 years compared to 88% increase in the past 6 years. Let's look into today's headlines. SEBI to introduce a hybrid rights product for simpler IPO filing. Securities Exchange Board of India, that is SEBI chairperson Madhabi Puri Buch, has highlighted plans to introduce a product that is a combination of a rights issue and preferential allotment, in addition to several tech-driven initiatives to simplify processes and foster innovation. The entire end-to-end process for this product can be completed in 23 days as compared to the 42 days taken for preferential allotment. There will be no separate requirement for SEBI approval. Meta is reportedly in talks with Hollywood stars for AI voice projects. Meta is reportedly offering Hollywood celebrities millions of dollars for the right to record and use their voices for artificial intelligence projects. The owner of Facebook and Instagram is racing to close deals, so it has time to develop a suite of AI tools for unveiling at its Connect 2024 event in September. Meta has also discussed a chatbot that could serve as a digital assistant similar to Apple's Siri. Alphabet cut its stake in CrowdStrike before July outage. According to a regulatory filing, Google parent Alphabet cut its stake in cybersecurity company CrowdStrike much before the global outage that took place last month, triggered by a software update. The company cut its stake to 427,895 Class A shares from 855,789 shares. The change in holdings is as of June 30th. A worldwide tech outage on July 19th crippled computer systems globally, affecting sectors ranging from healthcare and banking to aviation. GitHub enables developers with new GitHub models. GitHub has announced the launch of GitHub models, enabling more than 100 million developers to become AI engineers and build with industry-leading AI models. From Llama 3.1 to GPT-4o and GPT-4o Mini to Phi 3 or Mistral Large 2, developers can access each model via a built-in playground that lets them test different prompts and model parameters for free right in GitHub. NVIDIA's new AI chip to be delayed due to design flaws. Chipmaker NVIDIA Corporation's upcoming artificial intelligence chips will be delayed by at least 3 months due to design flaws. The delay will likely impact NVIDIA's customers, which includes big names such as Meta Platforms Inc., Google, and Microsoft Corporation. NVIDIA has already informed Microsoft about a delay affecting the most advanced AI chip models in the Blackwell series. The delays also mean that big shipments aren't expected until the first quarter of 2025. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.